Hi friends, look, having a healthy gut doesn't just mean you have more good bacteria than bad bacteria. But that's the theory you will see all over the internet like in Google, YouTube and Facebook. And it wouldn't surprise me if the multi-billion-dollar probiotic industry were behind it. Having a healthy gut means having a lot of microbe diversity. The number and richness of different microbes are directly linked to a lower risk of many chronic disease. Like in a medical study of Stanford University, researchers focused on a traditional African tribe called the Hasda, and the Hasda are the last people to live as hunter-gatherers, just like our ancestors did. They still even today actually hunt more than 600 different plants and animals from nature for their food. The researchers became dumbfounded seeing Hasda as the healthiest people on this planet. They don't suffer from heart disease, diabetes, asthma, osteoporosis, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, cancer, colitis, Crohn's disease, and many other diseases that are common in humans eating a modern diet. Look, the Hasda have the most diverse, disease-resistant, largest microbial communities in the world. Their gut microbiome are 40% more diverse than ours. Even the so-called bad bacteria are an integral part of our microbiome community. Because researchers found and analyzed that the gut microbiome of Hasda people are actually very different than ours. The bad bacteria that you know today are working as a beneficial good bacteria for them, and the same bacteria working as a bad bacteria for us because of our poor food habit. So if we can switch our food habit into a better healthy food habit, then we can turn those bad bacteria into beneficial good bacteria for us, and they can help to break down fibers, and that will encourage the growth of new diverse bacterial populations. In other words, good health depends on the population of good and bad bacteria living together in a balanced harmony. But unfortunately, our modern diet is unnaturally loaded with starch and refined sugars, which is actually wiping out the entire species of bacteria from our gut. So if you want to help your gut, then you must eliminate these foods, these modern processed foods from your diet. Okay, and if you want to improve your gut health, then you must eat more probiotic rich foods, and you need to add prebiotic rich foods into regular food items. Like the best prebiotic is inulin. Okay, the inulin you can find from onions, garlics, artichokes, Jerusalem artichokes, and the best source for you is chichori root. So I will highly recommend you to add these foods to increase the amount of prebiotic so that you can help your microbiome to thrive. Actually, inulin helps to create butyrate. Butyrate is a short-chain fatty acid that makes your microbiome thrive. So that's it, friend. If you want to boost your digestion, you want to get rid of constipation and many other lifestyle related diseases, then you must improve your gut health so that you can boost your immunity, you can improve your health, and you can change your life. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.